Rare group, because most of them have gone. The fear that I have is, are we having replacement for them? Are we having those, whether they are in public service or in the private sector, wherever they may be, who see themselves first as Nigerians? Whatever we can do to make sure that we have replacement for the like of Ahmed Joda, we must do. Otherwise, the future of Nigeria will be in danger. Me, I've lost a friend, a true friend, a sincere friend, a man that I can call upon anytime I feel there's anything that we should worry about in Nigeria.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.